Hello and welcome to the Ironborn podcast, where we share tips, tricks and insights about all things hair and grooming. In this episode, we'll be getting into the world of beard care and exploring the benefits of using beard balm. Whether you're a seasoned bearded man or just starting to grow out your facial hair, beard balm can be a game changer in your grooming routine. So sit back, grab a drink and let's dive in. Beard balm is a versatile grooming product that offers numerous benefits. First and foremost, it provides much needed moisture and hydration to both your beard hair and the skin underneath. This is especially important as facial hair tends to be coarser and can easily become dry or brittle. Beard balm helps to nourish and soften the hair, making it more manageable and reducing itchiness and irritation. Another advantage of using beard balm is that it provides light to medium hold, allowing you to tame and style your beard. With regular use, you'll notice your beard looks neater and more put together. Beard balm also offers protection against environmental elements. It acts as a barrier, shielding your beard and the underlying skin from harsh weather conditions, pollution and UV rays. This helps to prevent damage and keeps your beard looking healthy and vibrant. In addition to its practical benefits, beard balm often contains natural ingredients to promote beard growth and improve overall beard health. Ingredients such as jojoba oil and shea butter provide essential nutrients, vitamins and antioxidants that nourish and strengthen the beard hair follicles. Now you might be wondering how to use beard balm effectively. It's simple. Start by taking a small amount of balm and warming it between your palms, and then apply it to your beard starting from the roots and working your way to the tips. Make sure you massage the balm into the skin to stimulate the blood flow and promote healthy beard growth. So whether you're aiming for a well-groomed, professional look or a rugged, adventurous style, beard balm is an essential tool in your grooming arsenal. It offers hydration, hold, protection and nourishment all in one product. That's all for today's episode of the Ironborn podcast. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more expert advice and insights on all things grooming. Until next time, take care of yourself and your hair.